How to use Design to Image app in Canva. Open any browser of your choice. Type canva.com in the address bar and hit enter. Once you're on Canva, open a design page. I've got one ready to go, but feel free to open your own design project. Now let's get into it. I'd like to change the background color of the image on this design. I've already got another page with the image we'll be working on. Here it is. Click on the design page, and then go to the top where you'll find the background color option. Let's change it to a new color. Usually when we're done tweaking, we tend to download the design through the share button and re-upload it again. But today, we're going to skip that step. Instead, go to the Apps section. In the search bar, type Design to Image like this. Hit enter. Click on the app, and it will take you directly to the settings of the Design to Image app. Once there, click on the Convert to Image button. In the Select Pages section, choose Page 2 only. Then click the Done button. Now hit the Export button to generate the image. You'll see that your design page has now been converted into an image. Click on the Add to Current Page button and adjust the image size as needed. Head back to page 1, detach the old image, and then delete it. Finally, just drag the new image onto your design and position it as desired. And there you have it.